So this is the second part of the W.I.N network signals members, understanding the financial market report, part 2. I'm going to actually I went ahead and edited the image because it definitely reflects not the stop loss take profit, which will be edited as we move further along. But again, I want to hurry up and get through this series so that everyone who is a part of the series can understand exactly how this works. Those of you who are Signals members, W.I.N network Signals members, I want you to understand how to read this financial report. All right. But before we even get into the financial report, I did talk about the Telegram as well as WhatsApp. Whenever an update is completed, here's an update for today, which is a Thursday, September 26th. You'll find it, and it'll look like this. All right. And you'll see the date. Make sure that the date corresponds with, I'll show you on the here. Whenever you see the date, whenever a notification comes out, it means that the report has been researched and that the information on the report is ready. Excuse me. Not only is it ready, but it is accurate according to our current market value and current market movement. Now, sometimes you'll see a report come out and there'll be some notes at the bottom. I will go over the notification first because the notes that are at the bottom, they're last. So let me start from the top. So for the first thing you'll notice is the date. Make sure that, of course, once you get the notification on the WhatsApp or the Telegram, it usually does mean that it is ready. But I still want you to do one other thing. Make sure that this date here that's in the green, make sure that this date corresponds with the date posted in the notification group. As you can see, it does say September 26th, and here also says research completed for September 26th. So always make sure that's the very first thing you want to make sure, that you're looking at the correct report for that day. And there's a very good reason for that, and I'll talk more about that in upcoming videos. So the next thing here you'll notice is there's a section here for paid members. All right, so the paid member section, obviously there are a lot of people that are in these groups, and a lot of them are not paid members. So what you'll find is some of you guys who are not paid members, you'll join these WhatsApp groups and you'll click on this and you will not get access. You won't get access because it's only for paid members. All right. If you want access, then you must become a paid member. Now, there will be another section on here for trial members, and I'll have that added on there when that time comes. Okay. It is a system called roll call, but I won't talk about that right now. I already made a video about that, but there are some other videos that will need to be made. So paid members only, that's the first thing you'll notice there. Now, the report does not have stop loss take profit. So there is a video link here that will guide you to the video that I made a long time ago that teaches you how to set your stop loss to take profit. Or you can go to any other video online. But the stop loss and take profit is on your that's your responsibility. Okay? We leave that to you because the information that's presented in this report only has the signals that are going in the direction according to our current market value and current market movement. It's very important to understand. We do not provide stop loss or take profit. Only the directions that correspond to the strategy that we use. And there's a very good reason for that. I'll talk more about that in future videos. Now, I have already talked about it, and if you are a member, I encourage you to go to the Google Drive so that you can watch those videos where I do talk about the current market value. I go more into detail as to how it works and why we do it that way. All right. Here's something that's actually new as of today. There's a section called New Updated Videos. Now, these new updated videos, I actually have to separate that. Looks like one big jumbled up link. Okay, but these are actually two links. So if you go to this new updated videos, they will be the new videos that have been updated for that day. Just YouTube videos for the most part. And I highly encourage you to check those out as well. So you'll see a lot of these videos right now. They will be videos associated to the series that I'm currently working on. There will be other videos as well. And whenever you get these updates, you can click here. And that, again, that actually brings me to another point. For those of you who are members that are just pretty much outside looking in, this is also good for you to join these groups, the WhatsApp group, the Telegram group, because even if you didn't pay, at least you'll get a notification on when a new YouTube video comes out. And again, I mentioned before in another video, the video about the starter pack, I mentioned that I will be working on a series that has that will have like a dual aspect to it. One aspect will be a short video version that will be on YouTube, and the other longer version of the video will be accessed through W.I.N University. So again, you'll see some video updates that will be sent to you via WhatsApp or Telegram, and you might like the information that's presented in that video. There's going to be a lot of useful information presented in those videos to help you grow and help you learn, because it's not only that your account has to learn, it's not only that your account has to grow, but also you as a wise investor must grow as a wise investor. So you need to, take on this information and make it a part of you so that you'll have the right and proper mindset, and you won't have that mindset that's volatile. You want a nice, smooth, calm understanding of how the market works. You have to be able to embrace the market for what it is. And these signals will actually help you and guide you, especially if you take the current market value. And even more especially if you take the current market value with the alignment of the current market movement trades. And I'll go more into detail as to how to better place the trades, or when is the most the best time to utilize current market value and current market movement together. I'll go into that. Once you learn this and once you put everything together, even if you aren't able to become a mentor student, you'll still be able to make this work for you if you follow along properly. If you can follow directions, this will work for you, most definitely. And here at the bottom, we have the daily financial reports notes. The daily financial report notes. All right. And here, and you'll see the little notes indicated by the little burst. Okay. And In this case, it just says that the financial market report is complete. Sometimes you'll have notes that are more detailed about certain things. Just look out for that as well. All right. But once you see a notification comes in through your WhatsApp or Telegram, then you'll know that the financial market report has been completed. Now, sometimes on the notes, you may see something like only CMV has been completed, or only Forex signals are available. That's why it's important to check those notes out. You'll find that. Now, we try to get through the whole report every day. There are times when we don't. There are times when we are only able to complete the Forex and the CMV. Now, that's the highest priority, actually. Now, we also try to get to everything. Now, those times that we don't may be, it's usually because of high volatility in the market, or maybe a market shift or something along those lines that are associated with the market. Okay? But for the most part, these reports are sent out every day. Now, if there's a video report that has been completed and that's going to come out, I will put it in the notes. Did you get that? The video report, the video link. Some of you guys may click on this link here. Let me show you. Financial report, the first one, it says full video updates, paid members only. Now, some of you who are paid members, you'll click on that and you'll be like, wait a minute, I don't see the video for this day. That's because I am working on this series, and also I will be having these video reports reflecting a different approach on how to trade our signals. The earlier video reports that you currently see, I believe it's from June. Let's go ahead and take a look at it, actually. Okay. So these video reports here that are a part of the W.I.N signals report, these video reports go from August 4th till September 14th. And there is a gap, a small gap. I don't want to make it a big gap, but there is a gap. And that gap will continue these video reports. The video reports that we see here from August 4th to September 14th reflect an approach of monthly harvesting. Okay, if you follow these videos, you'll be able to see from start to finish that the trades that I've placed all profited at the end of every month. At the end of the month of August, at the end of the month of July, June, July, and September. I was able to start trades and then collect profit at the end of the month. That's just one approach. There's another approach that I will be documenting for all of you who are waiting for the video updates. In the meanwhile, I just highly encourage you to check out the updates that you're currently watching right now on YouTube, and everything else that has already been recorded here. Go back, get your notebook, get your pen, get your pencil, take notes, study. Again, this is an educational platform. I can't stress that enough. How badly do you want to succeed in this? Because the information that you're going to receive is very, very valuable. Now, I will end this video here, and that